everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you the place that we rented while we were in Hoi An, Vietnam. Guys, this place was absolutely gorgeous, as you can see from these pictures. Let's take a tour. Come on. Hi, welcome to Twists and Travels. We're Larry and Pam, a couple on a new adventure. After my life-changing scoliosis surgery, I can finally walk better and live with less pain. Now we're making the most of this new chapter, traveling together and exploring places we've always dreamed of. Join us as we share our journey of recovery, discovery, and all the amazing adventures ahead. And we are walking in our room. So it's just a basic, there's a desk. It's got some electrical chargers over here. I'm trying to light so you can see a little bit better. Sorry about that. Desk, and a little pot. Nightstand, big king-size bed, a little decoration, storage for our clothes, little refrigerator, TV. Refrigerator had a nice little mini bar included, so all that does have an extra charge. There's the charges real quick for you, so you know. But they do laundry here, which is really nice, so I won't be messing with laundry anymore while we're here. Excuse our mess. Kitchen, bathroom. It's a cool looking sink. Just everything you need. I'm glad that there's little doors, so I don't have to worry about the whole bathroom getting wet. So it's really nice. Again, there's the space. And right outside our door is this really cute little, it's the breakfast area, but you can sit in here and relax just anytime you want to. It's really cute. We'll see how busy it's in the morning. And to get in here, guys, you walk through a clothing store, which is interesting. I'll show you that when we come back next time. Anyways, really cute place. This is called I think it's called the Residence Old Town or Old Town Residences. There's the upstairs units. But you know me, I always get the downstairs if I can. And it looks like they only, oh, they do have more than one. Anyway, it's really nice. This is where we're staying. It's called Old Town Residence. Very cute. It's a little store when you first walk in. They sell some cute shirts and things. Cute dresses, purses, pants, swimsuit cover-ups. All kinds of cute little things. Interior is super cute. Nice marble. This place is very cute. I have to share.
Hey, yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Very cute clothes. Very super nice lady.
Thank you. Yeah, try out. Would you like?
Maybe later.
Best host in the world.
Hello.
Super nice little interior area. Alright, we're having breakfast at our hotel. It's the first time we have had noodles for breakfast. I don't remember what this was called. Larry's going to give it a shot since he's better with the whole chopsticks than I am. I guess he thinks he needs a pepper.
A little bit of pepper here. Lime if you want it. These are
Crispy rice cracker.
they're pretty good. They go in here. Then obviously your veggies. Well, I say I'm pretty good. Noodles are awesome. I like them.
Taste on the broth. 10 seconds. How is it?
Broth is real good. Excellent.
Hey, let's, I figured out how to use them, sort of. I'm not great, but I can eat. Look at this, I can pick up an egg. No quail egg. Anyway, you would be so proud. Just a quick little video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. This was such a nice place to stay. Please like and subscribe, do all the things, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.